What's happening YouTube? Charles and Chargers back with another video, and in front of me here was a very good mail day. We got all three of the rookie card explosion boxes. We are going to do football in this video. It's Saturday night. The Buffalo and Miami game just ended, so in honor of two of the three games being pretty good today, we will do the football. And I already dumped the peanuts out, and this was cool because I got a surprise pack that I do not remember Filmington mentioning in his video. And it's kind of odd it's in the football. That's an 83 tops. So we will save that for last. I could have totally missed it in his video going over what the products were going to be. I don't remember mentioning that. It's not the golden ticket giveaway. So here's our stack of packs. Alright, let's see. Actually, this okay, 2021 Chronicles is also a bonus. Alright, so we got the Crown Royal, the 16 Optic, the 17 Rookies and Stars Fat Pack, 18 Prism, 2020 Prism, 21 Mosaic, Prism Draft Picks, and 21 Prism. So yeah, we got two bonus packs. We will save that tops for last. Let's go right on down the line. Crown Royale with cheese. Looking for Kelsey, D-Hop, and Gino. Alright, so starting off with CJ2K, Chris Johnson, Michael Vick, Antonio Gates. Trying to save that fat card. Kawan Short rookie, number 29 out of 299. Justin Brown rookie. And let's just flip it. That's cool. Manti Te'o. Rookie silhouette, 236 out of 299. Kid had quite a interesting start to his career, to say the least. But did okay. Quiet with the Chargers a little bit. Went to the Saints, did okay. Do believe he's out of the league now, but just I don't know. It was just a weird situation with the whole getting, what is it, catfish or whatever they call it. Thinking he's got the girlfriend that actually doesn't exist, and all that was weird. It was weird. Okay, anyway, enough babbling about that. Let's get into the 16 Optic. Aaron Donald. Looks like he's about 1.5 feet tall on that card. That's cool. Gridiron Kings, Matthew Stafford. Paul Perkins, Raider rookie. And Xavier Howard rookie. Alright, Rookies and Stars Fat Pack. We are looking for Mahomes, Cooper Kupp, McCaffrey, Watson, Kamara, Dalvin Cook, who had a 68-yard scamper today in the biggest comeback in regular season NFL history. Down 33-0, then 39-36 in overtime. Insane. this all situated here. I'm all kinds of out of order. All right. Harrison Smith, Tevin Coleman, Alshon Jeffrey, Amari Cooper, Danny Woodhead. There you go, Kirk Cousins, Charles Clay, AJ Green, Stephon Diggs, Josh Doxson, JJ Watt, going to be the green parallel, Earl Thomas, the red parallel, precision passer Troy Aikman, airborne Todd Gurley, that's cool, action pack Bo Jackson. Dude was such a freak athlete. Jared Goff. Oh, okay, Crusade. I love the Crusade cards, so that's cool. Oh, sweet. There we go. There we go. Run CMC. Jake Butt. Chad Hansen. Josh Reynolds. Oh, look at that. Same pack. Patty Mahomes. Jabril Peppers. Corey Davis. Caleb Brantley. Deonta Foreman. He's playing pretty well. Is it Foreman? Yeah, Foreman's playing pretty well. Travis Rudolph. Samaje Perine, he's playing pretty well too. Ardarius Stewart. All right, now we got Hoyer, Jack Doyle, Philly Brown, Chris Hogan, Julio, Terrence Williams, Matthew Stafford, Gronk, Deshaun Jackson. There's D-Hop, Robbie Anderson, and Eric Berry. What a pack. All right, 2018 Prism. Looking for Josh Allen and Lamar. Gotta keep this pile straight. All right, Deion Buchanan, Andy Dalton, Drew Brees, and Jordan Lastly. Right team, wrong player. Jordan Lastly. Nice looking card though. Okay. 2020 Prism. Looking for usual suspects out of 20. Herbie, Burrow, Tua, Hurts, Jefferson, Taylor, and Love. Okay, we got John Brown, The Freak, Javon Curse, Josh Norman, and Nate Stanley. All right, Mosaic, T-Law, Fields, Matt Jones, Jamar Chase, Trey Lance, Davis Mills, and Jalen Waddle. Russ, Stephon Diggs, Kirk Cousins, and Ray Lewis. Cousins not numbered. Okay. All right. Prism draft picks. Same guys as I just mentioned. Matty Ice. Dude was on the losing end of the largest Super Bowl comeback in history, and now the largest regular season comeback in history. He lost them both. It's Matty Ice. Gardner Minshew. We have Red Ice, Jerry Jeudy. And Jamie Newman, rookie. And Kadarius Toney, rookie. All right, 2021 Prism. Okay, you got Melvin Gordon, Mark Brunell, Jay Tuffle, and Shi Smith, Carolina. Not numbered. All right. Chronicles draft picks. All right, starting with Trey Sermon, rookie. Nice Devonta Smith. Tutu Atwell. Jamie Newman. There we go. Jalen Waddle. Chuba Hubbard. Sean Wade. There we go. Mac Jones. Playbook. Greg Rousseau. Boogie Basham. Travis Etienne. Travis Etienne for the recon. Another Devonta Smith. Rondale Moore. And Elijah Moore. All right. And let's finish it off. This bad boy here. That gum is in there. It's all in little chunks, little pieces. All right. Win a World Series trip. Have to try my luck, see what happens. All right, this is cool. Starting off with a Yaz. Alan Ashby. Frank White. Tippy Martinez. Jeff Zahn. Don Money. Greg Luzinski. Mike Easler. No way. Oh, holy cow. Tony frickin' Gwynn, rookie. Oh, man, that's awesome. That is awesome. It's just a slight little ding right there. But man, pack pulled, that's so cool. That is so cool. I thought I saw that when I was kind of flipping the cards around, when you noticed when I first opened the pack, but I tried not to look. That's awesome though. All right, Bill Verdon, Reggie Smith, Super Vet, Marty Bystrom, Joel Youngblood, Harold Baines, and Dave Edler. All right, let's recap some of the hits and keepers here. This was a pretty solid month here. All right, we got a Devonta Smith, a couple of ATN, Mac Jones, Jalen Waddle, Tutu, another Devontae, Ray Lewis just for the heck of it. Stafford, I kind of collect him a little. We got the Patty Mahomes rookies and stars, and in the same pack we got the Run CMC. We got a Goff Crusade, Bo Red Parallel, Todd Gurley Airborne, J.J. Watt, Stafford Gridiron Kings, Aaron Donald, about 1.5 feet tall, Antonio Gates, and a jersey of Manti Te'o out of $2.99. And then a little bonus pack. Harold Baines, Hall of Famer. Tony Gwynn, rookie. And Yaz. So that was a lot of fun. And one hell of a box this month. Very, very happy with that. Thank you, Filmington, as always, for putting this together. That was a blast. So I will be looking forward to watching your boxes. And hopefully you guys pull some fire as well. That is it for this one. Thank you all for watching. And keep an eye out for my other two videos of the other two baseball boxes. Stay safe, stay healthy. Talk to you later.